Hi everybody, it's Philip from VFW 1402, and this is it. This is our week 4 assignment review. This week we talked about how to do smart windows as well as titanium controls such as buttons, text areas, and things like that. And so what worked really well for me was this window. Let me show it to you here. Here's our project 4. And we still got all your other requirements in here. We have the gallery window here, new image, it's completely random. We still have your table view and all that good stuff. You'll notice that it looks familiar from my project 2, but it actually is different. It loads differently. It's also more optimized and it's full screen as well. And the data window itself is also different. It also adjusts to the format of the screen and can increase and decrease the picture sizes to make it easier to read. Also wanted to show you that we have a Translate Me screen, and this is the new control that I wanted to talk to you about. And in this one, we're able to enter text up here at the top, such as Hola, mi nombre es Pedro, and we'll click on Random Translate Me. We can see it translated from Spanish to Bulgarian. But I can do it again, and now it's from Spanish to Finnish. The one thing I did want to show you, though, is that for our main text area, I do have a hint. As you can see, if I delete all of this, I do have a hint. And as you know, on iOS, text areas do not have hints. That's only supported on Android. And I was able to do that by adding a label. And I handled the blur and focus events, and it worked out, great. I was also able to maintain loading and parsing my JSON, so I've got my load JSON request here. I'm able to send my URLs to the JSON request, as well as handle the type of request it is and call the appropriate function. And I still handle those in the old traditional way for var n in data lang. If langs.index of n is less than 0, then we come down here and we parse the result values for our translation, and we look up the type of data that comes back right here. And it is a regular JSON object that is formatted with code, language, text, and the code tells me whether or not it passed or failed, and then I have language, which allows me to split out EN and RU to their actual names to display in the window, as well as the text that was translated. And it actually works out quite nicely because I'm able to still use the looping over of my arrays and my object values without any problem. I was also able to create some common files here. I have a colors.js file here. In this file, it allows us to define our body, paragraph, headings, as well as subtitles, and as well as all of our gradients that we use in the program. And every single one of our custom windows, from app logic all the way down to translate window, relies on this single colors.js to maintain a uniform feel across our application. So it worked out wonders. In all, it was a really great week. I learned quite a bit. I was able to expand what I learned from the previous weeks and make a cool little portfolio application. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.